Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Rinnai Tankless water heater has been running for a while and you want to keep hot water performance working smoothly, flushing the system can help more than many people expect. Sometimes the Rinnai Tankless water heater slowly builds up mineral deposits inside without obvious signs, while other times water temperature or flow starts feeling different over time. Since regular flushing can help the Rinnai Tankless water heater maintain better performance and smoother operation, learning the right process can make maintenance feel much easier. The good part is that with a careful approach, flushing a Rinnai tankless water heater can be done safely without unnecessary confusion. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to safely flush a Rinnai tankless water heater. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Rinnai tankless water heater and allow the system to cool before maintenance begins. Step 2. Shut off water supply connected to the Rinnai tankless water heater before preparing for flushing. Step 3. Connect flushing hoses to the Rinnai tankless water heater carefully if service valves are available. Step 4. Run a cleaning solution through the Rinnai tankless water heater to help clear internal buildup gently. Step 5. Flush clean water through the Rinnai tankless water heater afterward to remove leftover solution. Step 6. Restart the Rinnai tankless water heater and confirm hot water performance feels normal again.